All right, thank you so much, Nate. Well, we are seeing the impact of all this snow and what it's done to our roads, especially this morning, causing major backups in some places and even some slide-offs.
Yeah, it's really been incredible out there. And ABC4's Kayla Begley has more on this story.
Drivers today, we're seeing slick conditions on the roads, which made for a rough commute. And it's not just hard on them, but also plow drivers. UDOT says when snow is falling as fast as it was today, it can make it a challenge to keep the roads clear.
This has been a really treacherous winter.
This winter, it feels like the snow just won't let up. This morning's storm leaving its impacts on Utah's roads.
There's crashes all up and down the Wasatch Front.
Video at UDOT's Traffic Operations Center shows just how much of an effect it had. Some areas seeing whiteout conditions and bumper-to-bumper traffic. Not only is this frustrating for drivers, but Mitch Shaw, a spokesperson with UDOT, says it's been quite a winter for them too. He says storms like today's, the snow is falling so fast, it can be hard to keep up with.
So we'll plow a stretch, and then seems like as soon as we plow it, the snow's covered the road again.
And with a winter like we've been seeing,
and kind of day after day of snow,
it takes a lot to keep Utah's roads clear. So far this season, UDOT has plowed over 4 million miles and put in more than 100,000 hours.
They've been out at all hours clearing the roads, and it's been hard on them.
And also, a great deal of work is put in to make sure equipment is always ready to go.
They have to constantly be on top of keeping everything operational. They're working a lot of overtime hours this year, to say the least.
Utah Highway Patrol also saying this weather has made for a very busy season for troopers to keep up with.
It's been crazy. So a lot of snow, a lot of days getting called out, going out and working, but it's good. I enjoy being out there and helping people.
Now, when it's snowing and roads are icy, they do want to remind drivers to slow down, pay full attention to the road, and to give themselves plenty of extra time to get to where they need to safely. Reporting from Salt Lake City, Kayla Baggerly, ABC4 News.